Hey, let me show you the best features of the Xiaomi Watch 2. And first of all, I'm gonna mention that the best feature is actually the Wear OS. So, on the Xiaomi Watch S3, you can actually find the Hyper OS. And on the Hyper OS, we actually cannot find that much option like on the Wear OS. So the Wear OS is actually the best feature. And now, let's go inside. So, thanks to the Wear OS, we can actually find almost every feature from the phone into our watch. So take a look. When I click on the side button to open apps menu, for example, I can find the Google Play Store. So I can download applications. There's something that you cannot find on the watch as free. You can use search engine and just take a look for any app that you want. When you click here, you can find the categories. You can even download games and you can play on this watch. So that's really cool and useful. Next, for sure, you can make the phone calls. You can receive phone calls, answer the phone calls. From here, you got the Google Maps, so you can navigate. For sure, you can measure the heart rate. What is useful that you can even set the high and the low heart rate alerts. Next, we got the Google Wallet. We got the NFC, so we can pay with this watch. We've got access to our Gmail. We can find the phone. So if you lost your smartphone, you can just click on it and then your smartphone is going to make the sound, so you will be able to actually easily navigate it. From here, you can also control the camera of your smartphone. So when you open it and open the camera on your phone, you will be able to actually take the photos. There's like calculator because you can actually download it from the Google Play Store. From here, we can even find the Google Assistant and we can set the alarm clock. And now when you scroll down, let's take a look for the other options. We can also control the media of our smartphone. So if you play any music on your phone, you can actually go for the previous song, for the next song, play, pause, or for example, change the volume level. When you scroll down, you can also find the sound recorder. We can measure our sleep. We can measure the blood oxygen level. Also, we can check the stress level. We can find the streaming services like, for example, the YouTube, and we can find over 100 different workouts. Take a look. There's like 40 training modes, 14 dance modes, 26 ball sports. We got even winter sports, cardboard games. What it is? Okay, chess, checkers, bridge, board game, other, athletics, auto racing. Yeah, that's crazy. This is like really nice equipped device with a lot of different functions. For sure, you can customize the watch faces, so you can set your custom watch face. You can set some widgets like you want. So this is like really nice equipped watch. It's not that expensive, so I can even say that I can recommend you. I'm not actually sure how accurate is this device. I'm going to make some comparison with the pulse oximeter about the SpO2 and the heart rate. And also I'm gonna make some comparison to the S3 and the Band 8 Pro. So I'm gonna check how it looks about the accurate of this device, of the sensors. And yeah, that's all. If you are looking for some other information about this device, you can put them in the comments. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.